Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Monday the 15th of July 2024, just back from holiday, back into the routine of going to the charity shops, and I bought 3 items. I'm quite pleased with myself. Obviously, 2 solar rockers. Don't see them very often in the shops nowadays. How much should I pay for that one? Yeah, 50p from the Cats Protection League. And as you can see, it is working. And then this one, I've forgotten which charity this one was in, but it wasn't actually for sale as such. It was on their cashier's desk. And it was just sitting there. And I said, "Is that for sale?" And he said, "Well, not really, but we will sell it if you want it." And I said, "How much?" expecting him to say a silly price. And he said 50p. So I got 2 nice old solar rockers, 50p each. I'll just put the light on just to give them a good blast. So this will brighten up a second. There you go. Yeah, both working. I've got similar to both of these, but not these particular ones. So I don't intend to take these apart for the pieces, which is what I tend to buy them for. Buy them so I can strip them down for the coil and circuit board inside. But because I don't have these already, I shall save these. Right, light off. So yeah, pleased with that, 50p each. And then this, I spotted it. Which charity shop was that? Doesn't say. That might have been 10 of us. Right, got the receipt. Children's Hospice Southwest. There's a little row of 4 charity shops next to each other on North Street. In fact, that one, as I say, Cats Protection League, that was also on North Street in Southville. People like to say Bedminster, but it's still Southville there. Yeah, £4. A little bit more than I like to spend, but I thought I would probably spend more than that if I wanted to get it off eBay. It looked like it's got everything in there. It looks like it's got an amplifier circuit that you build. Oh, it looks like somebody might have started it. Oh dear. Oh well, we'll find out. It's a nice looking little circuit board, that. DIY speaker. Oh, from Arduino. Oh, I don't expect we've got an Arduino in there. Doesn't show an Arduino. Oh, I suppose you could drive it from an Arduino if you wanted to. Don't panic. Step-by-step manual online. But from the looks of it, you can just plug it straight into your mobile phone or whatever. Got some LEDs. Potentiometer. Sockets. Chips. Resistors. capacitors. What have I got there? Sticky back. Bit of wire. Balloon. Battery box. Double-ended connector. So you can plug it into your mobile phone. The idea of the balloon is you're using that to amplify the sound. And looks like that's sticky back, yeah. So you can stick it onto something. That's quite a heavy weight. Well, let's hope that everything's there. We can try and put it together sometime. Won't be doing it in this video. That'll be something for a rainy day. I will go through and count up the bits, see what we've got. But yeah, that's today's charity shop Gold or Garbage. Yeah, I've just counted all the bits. They're all there. So that'll be a little project sometime to put that one together.